Planet Dolan.
From what the Earth would be like as a square to what the eye tastes like, we answer some of your most burning questions about life.
Hey there, my name is Doopy, and I'll be reading out the questions and answers.
Hey guys, I'm Sacred Snoopy, and this is my sister Gooby. We're here to blow your minds with truth, through drawings. Gooby can't talk, so she's gonna draw her answers, and I'll tell you what I think she's trying to say.
Heather Writings asks, why do plants die when you add a lot of water?
Because dogs laugh at them, and it hurts their feelings, so they kill themselves. This honestly looks like a 5-year-old drew it. Why? Is the dog like barking at the flowers, aiming to eat them, but scare them first, so they're not moving?
Plants absorb water through their stems, but additionally there are small roots that need oxygen to breathe. If there's too much water, the soil can become waterlogged and the plant can drown. Plants such as cacti are much more susceptible since they thrive in dry environments. Anna Sandel 32 asks, will we ever discover a new color?
Yes, because Gooby can mix diarrhea with puke. Or is it a monkey's face that's been smushed and washed out? Yeah. The key to discovering a new color is to pour green cordial on a dog turd and mix it up. Did you wash your hands after this? That's just disgusting.
Humans can already see the full spectrum of visible light, but there are other bands of light that only certain animals can see. Birds and fish, for example, see in infrared. Since we can only imagine these other frequencies, it's impossible for us to actually see a new color. I know you were trying to make a point, but do you think you could, clean up all the mess you've made?
No, I will fight you. I will literally fight you both.
Casey Pitton asks, why does it hurt when you don't blink?
Because Shima will claw your eyes out if you don't give in, or kind of like a cat licking their fur to cool down. Your eyes have to get wet and slimy in order to cool down. What is that drawing though? Satan looks like Shima. Shima looks like Satan. What did you do? Are you proud? Are you proud of this?
Humans blink in order to keep the eyes moist and clean. If you don't blink, they dry out, causing irritation. The reason why it's so difficult to keep the eyes open is that they have an automatic function to blink and prevent your eye from drying out. On average, this happens 25 times a minute. Kawaii Marshmallow asks, what would happen if the world was a square?
Everybody would fall off.
I think she's implying you'd float away because there's no gravity?
But there's no gravity, so why aren't the countries floating off? And the little people look pretty excited to be out there. Maybe they're just jumping really high?
What? Into outer space?
Like a spacewalk with no suits. Or oxygen. It looks like fun!
Due to gravity, an object the mass and size of the Earth could not be any other shape than spherical. In theory, if the Earth was smaller, in the shape of a cube, the atmosphere would collect around the center of each of the 6 faces of the cube. This means that all the water and air would also only be accessible in those small pockets, and life would be unsustainable elsewhere on the planet. Where are you going?
Space!
But you'll, die.
No, you'll die, because you didn't follow your dreams. 3, 2, 1, lift off! Shut up.
Liam Greathouse asks, how would someone think if they didn't know any languages?
They think about fruit. Like bananas or peaches or whatever that thing is. Is that supposed to be a coconut? Covered in grass? You colored outside the lines again. Is that a coconut though? Or is that like a moldy avocado?
It is possible to think without language. However, language plays an important role in how we think. Some people that acquire a language later in life can recount being able to think. For example, we understand the concept of a dog, whereas someone without a language would only think in terms of every dog they have ever seen. BlackCat2300 asks, if you drink your own blood, are you a cannibal?
Are you a cannibal? Are you trying to actually express this? Are you? Well, okay.
Fortunately, licking blood from a wound or a bloody nose is not considered cannibalism. However, there are forms of self-cannibalism that involve drinking one's own blood, such as auto-vampirism. It's an aspect of the vampire lifestyle and considered cannibalistic, since the people are intentionally harvesting their own blood. Can you not?
But you look so delicious.
You really think so? Ow!
Can I have this arm?
Shima's biggest fan asks, what would happen if you put yourself upside down for a long time?
You'd be a cloud with clinical depression and PTSD. And you'd cry raindrop tears onto the uncaring pavement of life. And you'd be a bit dizzy.
Being upside down for a prolonged period of time would result in death. It is estimated that it would take between 8 to 10 hours depending on the person. The reason is that humans have evolved to stand upright, and so gravity plays a role in blood getting to the legs and feet. When the body is upside down, the body has to work harder to pump blood to the feet, and so it pulls in the lungs and brain. Abigail Lopez asks, what does your eye taste like?
Grandma, really? You're such a cannibal.
Hello? You ate my arm!
But you didn't need it. But everyone else needs a grandma. Gooby, you monster! She's my grandma too. Can I have your other arm?
No! Once you bite through the cornea, the human eye would most likely taste like a flavorless jelly and be somewhat chewy. This is because the eye is largely just water and filled with a jelly-like substance called vitreous humor. Swedish Wolfie Cat asks, why does your mouth water whenever you eat hot or spicy foods?
That's not water, it's sweat from all the insults that are talking chili pepper hells from inside your mouth. Red hot food puns. If you were a banana, you wouldn't look very appealing. Does that upset you? Let us talk about it. You don't want to talk about it? What a yoke. You're not very exciting. Ha!
Saliva is produced in the mouth in order to protect itself from the excess heat from spicy food. Our taste buds play a role in the production of saliva and react to spicy food by producing more saliva than usual. This mechanism is the body's way of cooling us down, similar to why we sweat when it's a hot day. Please, I can handle losing an arm, but don't do any more puns. It's killing me.
Deal with it.
Ben Peril asks, what makes a rock skip across water?
That's not a rock at all. Gooby, what is it with you and experimenting with turds?
But that's clearly a rock.
Hey, shh, I don't do your job.
That's rude. It's the spin that stabilizes a rock and prevents it from just sinking. In combination with the velocity of the throw, the surface area of the rock and the angle of the throw determine how many potential skips one can achieve with a single throw. The current world record is 51 skips.
Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. Have a good one!
Hey guys, I'm Sacred Keep that in. Please don't.
We will.
Oh, okay.